Good morning, my dear students. Hello. Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. How are you, my dear students? Tell me. A very good morning and hello. I'm waiting in the chat box for your comments. Good morning to everyone, my dear students. How are you doing this morning? I hope you're hale, hearty, happy, and healthy, and you're ready for this session on Me and Math. Welcome to Me and Math live classes. Now, come on, fill the chat box with comments. Tell me who is going to, you can wish me good morning or you can say anything you want to, but kindly write your name along with your comments so that I. Okay, Medansh, good morning. How are you, Medansh? Medansh is here. So, how are you doing this morning? Reenu, hello, my dear students. Kindly write your name. Kindly write your. Okay, Saina, yeah. Hello, Saina. Good morning, Saina. How are you doing this morning? Hope you're hale, happy, and healthy, and you're all fresh, and you have had your breakfast, and you're ready for me and math live classes on this Sunday morning, where we will learn maths and we'll try to learn it in a fun way so that uh, you remember it for the rest of your life. Ishvita, okay. Good morning, Ishvita. How are you, Ishvita? Hope you're also fine and you have had your breakfast and are all fresh. Ishvita is here and Saina is here and Medansh is here. Okay, great, great. So nice to talk to you all this morning. So hope are you all fresh? Tell me, are you all fresh and ready for the YouTube live session? Yes, Saina. Yes, Medansh. Yes, Ishvita. How are you? How are you all? Yes, and anybody else who is watching this YouTube session, I'm reading the comments. You can write anything you want in the comments, and you will answer the questions also, which I ask later on after we have discussed. Yeah, Ishvita, I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. Thank you so much. And uh, whatever anybody is going to write, since there will be a lot of students as we move on the session, kindly write your name along with whatever you are writing or your answers. Okay, so that would be my only request so that I get to know who is speaking to me. All right. Until then, I hope everybody is now ready for the YouTube live session and they are ready to understand some of the concepts and revise some of the concepts which you already know. And then we are ready to do some sums or some questions which we are going to solve together here. And at the end, we will also, there is a thing that whoever performs the best during this YouTube live session, I will reveal the name at the end. Okay, so Vedant, Saina, uh, and Ishwita, all three of you. So I will ask you to be active and let's see who is going to top this this Sunday's YouTube session. Okay, तो सबका मैं वेलकम करता हूँ मी एंड मैथ लाइव क्लासेस में एंड हम आज क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ओ हीना बेदी इज हीना बेदी इफ दैट इज योर name it's all right but write your name along good morning Hina Bedi. I think it could be Meher. Meher, can you I think you can write your name along with your whatever comments you are writing, write your name. You have to write your name along with the any comment you are saying. Hina, the account by the name of Hina Bedi. Like you can see Ishvita's comment. Yeah, Meher. Yeah, Meher. So Meher is here. Ishvita is here. Saina is here. Medansh is here. Many of my students are also here who I have taught. So that is great, and I'm seeing them after a long time. So I hope everybody is happy, hale, and hearty. Ishvita, Meher, and Medansh, and Saina. Okay, so let's get started. All right, man. That is great. That is great. I understood. I understood. Anyway, so let's get started. So who's going to guess what we are going to study today? I think you must have seen the thumbnail on YouTube also. क्या पढ़ने वाले हम आज? कौन मुझे बताएगा? Yes, any guesses? What are we going to study today? Yes, Saina. Yes, Meher. Yes, Ishvita. Yes, Medansh. Anyone with a guess what we are going to study today? Or should I reveal? Five, four. Okay, Ishvita has seen the thumbnail. Well done, Ishvita. And so has, okay, so has, I think, yeah, yeah, Medansh has also, and so has Meher. Meher has is saying subtraction, with Meher it will be addition. Yes, we are going to study addition today. And Saina is also saying addition now. Very good. So today we are going to study addition and methods of addition. How we are going to add and regroup, and we are going to study the different methods of addition that we are going to discuss through this 1 hour. But also then I'm going to ask you some questions which you are going to answer. All right. So while writing those answers, kindly write your name along with it. Okay. So I hope you're all ready for studying a bit of addition. I think most of the students are here. So let's get going. And before starting the lesson on addition, we are going to have our mystery moment, isn't it? The mystery moment is nothing but like the brain activity. Okay? The mystery moment is nothing but like the brain activity. It helps you warm up your brain. इससे आपका ब्रेन जो होता है, जो हम क्लास से पहले ये करते हैं, आप एक्टिवेट हो जाते हो, आपका ब्रेन एक्टिवेट हो जाता है फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास. आप एकदम रेडी हो जाते हो टू for the rest of the class. So, who is going to answer this question? That I am a three-digit number. My tens digit is two more than my ones digit. My ones digit is three more than the smallest counting number. My hundreds place digit is the predecessor of the largest digit. What number am I? Who is going to answer this? A three-digit number. Tens digit is 2 more than my ones digit. Ones digit is 3 more than the smallest counting number. So the hint here is that you should be knowing the smallest counting number. Then you can find all numbers. This is your mystery moment or your brain activity. Who is going to answer? Come on, I'm waiting for your answers. Come on, my dear students, come on. Okay, I think Ishvita has answered. Ishvita, yeah, Ishvita has answered. Anyone else who wants to answer? Saina or Medansh or Meher? Meher, this is the question. You have to guess this number. It is saying I am a three-digit number. So the digits are three. My tens digit is, yes, Meher. My tens digit is two more than my ones digit. My ones digit is three more than the smallest counting number. Hint is you should be knowing the smallest counting number. So whenever you count, where do you count from? That will is the smallest counting number. Ishwita has answered now along with her name. My hundreds place digit is the predecessor of the largest digit. Even that you should be knowing the largest digit. Digits are only 10. Okay, I think Triveni. I think it is Medansh. Medansh, write your name along with your answer. Yes, Medansh. And so Ishwita and Medansh are giving the same answer. Saina, what will be your answer? I am waiting for the okay 834. Saina is saying, and now Meher, If you have understood what the question is, we have to find a three-digit number. Okay, so at the three-digit number, the tens digit is 2 more than the ones digit. The ones digit is 3 more than the smallest counting number. My hundreds place digit is the predecessor of the largest digit. So what we are finding? We are trying to find a three-digit number. So I'll put three spaces here. I'll tell you. Now, my tens digit is 2 more than my ones digit. And so I don't know yet what the ones digit, but it is saying my ones digit is 3 more than the smallest counting number. Now the smallest counting number is when I start counting for the smallest whole number is 0, but the smallest counting number starts from 1. We count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? Then we the 1 is the smallest counting number. Now it says the ones digit is 3 more than the smallest counting number. The smallest counting number is 1. So what will be the ones digit? It will be 3 more than 1. What is 3 more than 1? 1 plus 3. That is 4. Okay. Then what is written? My tens digit is 2 more than my ones digit. So the 10, now I can easily find the tens digit. The tens digit is 2 more than my ones digit. 4 plus 2 is 6, isn't it? Yes. And my hundreds place digit is the predecessor of the largest digit. Now the largest digit is what? We know digits are only 10 in number. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. They are symbols which are singular, which they are the only with which we form all the other numbers or the numerals. That is what digits are uh, basically. So the largest of them out of the 10 is 9. What is the predecessor of 9? 8. So that is the hundreds place. So it should be 864 as as Saina. Saina, you said 800. I think it is Ishvita and Medansh gave the correct answer. I think Saina, you have said 834, but, but I don't think 834 is the correct answer. Let us confirm. You were close, but let us confirm. So the correct answer is indeed 864. So well done, Ishwita. Well done, Medansh. Well done, Saina, for trying. Well done. Yeah, Meher. Now you're also sending me eight. So well done, Meher. Everybody. So come on. So this has helped you get the brain activated, isn't it? This is what the mystery moment was for. So your brain is activated now. So you're all ready for the rest of the class. All right. This morning, you're all warmed up for the rest of the class. Now we are going to understand what we are going to study today. We are going to understand the place value addition. These are the methods actually of addition which we are going to understand today. We are going to understand place value addition, abacus addition, and column addition. Okay, so I know you might be knowing much of it. You might be knowing much of it, and but still we can revise, and then we can do the question, and you will yourself understand when I ask you questions how much of you know it. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't know it. Okay, so the place value addition is the first method we are going to study, then the abacus addition and the column addition. Okay, so we are going to study this, and I'm going to ask you a few questions based on same. Now the first thing is that we should know what is addition. Now, what is addition? Addition is nothing but putting things together, isn't it? You know this. So, when you are joining two things together, you find it sum, or two. When you are putting two numbers together, or two, three, four numbers together, and putting them together, you are finding it sum. That is what addition is, and it is denoted by the symbol plus, isn't it? So, we can write 2 plus 3, for example. Now, what are we doing? We are putting 2 and 3 together. Suppose Ishvita has 2 apples and Meher has 3 apples. How many apples do they have together? We will add 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the basic, you know it. 2 plus 3 is 5. We can do like this. This is what addition is. Now, what we are going to study today are these three methods of addition. Okay, so we are going towards the methods of addition. Yeah. So place, yes, Meher, yes, yes, Saina, yes, Meher, yes, um, and it is, I think, Medansh. So yeah, I can read your answers. Well done. So place value addition, column addition, and abacus addition. These are the three methods which we have to discuss today, and then we have to solve some questions based on the same. Okay. So first of all, we are going to study about place value addition. Now, place value addition is nothing but it is the method in which we add the place values. Okay, we can do it in the form of blocks, and once we get used to the blocks, then what we do, we can, once we are used to the blocks, we can also write it in the form of like 8,000s, 400s, and then two tens and one ones, and then form the number and then add them. Okay, so both ways we can do the place value addition, in which we are adding the place values. First of all, we will try and study it with the help of these blocks. All right, now how do we study it with the help of blocks? So imagine that this big cube contains 1,000 small cubes, which is it made of small blocks, small blocks. So this is representative of 1,000, or we say it is a thousandths cube. Okay, then this big block, imagine it is made up of 100 small cubes. Then this green colored one will be representative of 100, or the hundreds place value. Now this, obviously you can see this block, you have to imagine a stick like this is made up of 10 small blocks. So this will be this purple colored stick will be representative of a what? It will be representative of a tens place, and this will be ones. And yes, Saina, you're, and so Meher is also saying, Saina is also saying, so a number which will be formed from this will obviously be one. It will have 1,000, will start from thousand place, then 100, then it will have 110 and 1 1. So it will be 1,111, as Saina and Meher are saying. A number like this will be representative of that, isn't it? This is easy. You are correct. Now, what we have to do is we have to do the same place value addition, but what we are going to do is we are going to do it with the blocks first, and we are also going to do it simply and then with regrouping. But first, let's try to do it simply. Now, who is going to tell me what can be the answer of this? So, Ishwita and Midansh and Saina and Meher, can you find the sum? Then I'll do it. This one I'll show you. Okay, Meher. Okay, okay. I know you know it. So this one, the first number you can check what it is. The second number you can check what it is. I'll then discuss the answer with you how I did it. First of all, you tell me how you are going to add this. With that, we are simply adding place values, isn't it? What will be the answer? Who is going to tell me? Come on. So the upper blocks are showing one number, then the plus sign is here, then the lower blocks are showing another number. Saina is writing. Well done, Saina. So, okay, Medansh has given an answer. Saina has also written the sum, the numbers. Saina, give me the sum also, since you have solved it. Meher has also given an answer. Medansh has also given an answer. Meher, you could be a little wrong at the tens place. Check it again. Ishwita has also given an answer. Well done, Ishwita. Well done. I think Medansh. Meher, you are a little bit wrong. Saina, you have written the sum, but you haven't given me the answer, Saina. That is all. So how I will do this question is, you are right. So the first number I can write it as 2331, because it has 2,000s, 300s, 3 tens and 1 1. So it will be 2 3 3 1. You are correct, all of you. And then the second one similar will be, it has 3000s, 100s, 4 tens, and 4 1s. So it will be 2 3 3 1 plus 3 1 4 4. And the answer will be 5475 or 5475 as uh, I think, yeah, as now Saina also, and earlier Ishvita and Medansh and now Meher also. So all of you have now given the correct answer. Medansh, Saina, Ishvita, and Meher. Everybody has given the right answer that it is 5475. And without even knowing the numbers, if I didn't know the numbers, I could have simply, I would put the thousands together. See, these are the thousands now. So the answer, in the answer I would say there are 5000, because this does not need regrouping. I'll show you in the next questions. This one I could have done easily. Then there were 400s together, isn't it? So I would write 4 when I am putting them together. Then the tens were 7. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 tens, and then 5 ones. So 5475 would be the answer, even without, even if I didn't check what the numbers themselves were. This one I could easily do, okay, because it did not need any regrouping. So now, who is going to tell me the answer to this one and tell me what is the problem that you faced? You can do it simply by then adding, but come on, tell me the answer to this one. And if you are not able to do it, then also tell me in the chat box what is the problem you faced by place value addition method. Okay. Okay, Meher, you can. Yes, yes, Ishwita, yes, yes, okay, Saina, yes, Saina is writing. Yeah, Saina, you have to give me the answer also, as you know. Saina, you have written the sum correctly, yes. Saina, Ishwita, Medansh, Meher, come on, tell me the answer to this one. Okay, Saina has given me the answer. So has Ishwita. Ishwita has given the sum and the answer. Saina has given me the answer. Medansh, Meher, can you? So basically, you are making the numbers and adding them, isn't it? So you are saying, you are then doing column addition. So you are saying that this is 1, 4, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 1, 4, 7, 4, or 1474. Yes, okay, Meher. So well done. So then the second question, the second one is 4000, 0 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. So the second number is 4048. The first number is 1474. And then you are doing your simple column addition. You are adding them like you do. You add them like you write 1474. Is it how you are doing it? 1474, and then 4048. Below it you are writing, and then you are adding. Is that what you are doing? Who is going to tell me? Ishwita, Saina, Meher, Medansh. This is how you are doing. You're writing these two numbers down and then you are simply adding. Is that so? Ishwita, tell me. Saina, Meher, Medansh. Yes, I'm waiting for your answers. Ishwita, did you do it like this, or did you? Okay. Medansh is saying like that only, and Ishvita is also saying like that only. Saina, did you do like that? And Meher? By finding the numbers and then adding them simply like this. Yes, yes, Saina. I'm saying, did you do it like this? Now, what I want to say is that there is another method in case you have the blocks, and this will help you understand why we do regrouping, why we do carry over. So what we are doing is, see, these are the, see, even without knowing the numbers, I know that this number which will form by addition will have 8 and 4 ones. So it will have 12 ones. How many ones? 12 ones. But 12 ones, okay, that is good, Saina. That is great. Now 12 ones it does, if it has 12 ones means 1 tens and 2 ones. Isn't it? 12 ones also means that 1 tens and 2 ones. Isn't it? Now the tens, let's come to the tens. Now the tens are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 4 are 11 tens. Now if I put 11 tens together, 11 tens, 11 tens can be written as 10 hundreds and 1 tens. Sorry, 1 hundreds and 1 tens. 11 tens I'm saying. Because 10 tens already will have 11 small ones. Sorry, 10 tens will already have 100 small ones. So when 11 tens are there, I can write that as 100 plus 110. Imagine it. You can put 11 tens together, then it will have 100s and 110s. Then we can see the hundreds are 4 in number. So in the answer also it should have. We will see how it will happen. And now this has 400s. These are 400s together, and these are 5000s. Okay. Now 5000s are there, 400s are there. Now this is making 100 and 110. This is making 110 and two ones. So I will now add the thousands alone, the hundreds alone, the tens alone, and the ones alone. Now, how many thousands are there in total? Five. So I'll write 5000s. Now, how many hundreds are there? The green colored ones are four. Yes, they are four. But see, in here, when we combined these tens, when we combined these tens, I got 100 and 110 when 11 tens came. So I will add the hundreds with these 400s. The 100 here I got, I will add it with the 400s. So I will get 500s in total. Similarly, this 110 here, which was remaining, I will add with this 110, which I got after I got 12 ones. So 110s and 110s will become 210s. And then at the end, the two ones are remaining. So I'll write 2. So isn't I got the same answer? 5522. What I did was regrouping. What I did was regroup. This is how carryover also works that you do. That is the method, but how it actually works is like this. This is your carryover working. What we are basically doing is whenever we are getting a place value, whenever we are getting some blocks greater than equal to 10, greater than or equal to 10. See, up till 9, we can write that one digit in the place value. See, in the ones place, I can write up to from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9, isn't it? I cannot write two digits at one place. I cannot write 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on at the ones or tens or the hundreds place. Any one place value, I can write only one digit. Okay. For this, I do this regrouping. That is why I combine. When I get more than 10, or equal to 10, equal to or greater than 10 at a place value. Now in this place value I got 12 ones. So 12 is greater than 10. So I made out of 12, I combined them to form 110 and two ones. Now 110 I carried over to the tens place here. See, this was the 110 that I, sorry, the 110 I wrote here. This 110 was there. Later on I will add it with this 10. Okay, then 100 here, I this 100 I added with these 400. See, the carryover is happening here also, and the thousands didn't need carrying over, they were only 5 in number. So without even solving, I can do it with the help of blocks. Okay, that method is all right if you know the column addition, but you should, I think you should be able to understand why we do regrouping, and with the help of blocks and the example I gave, you can understand. Okay. Now I have already told you this, that why we do. Ishvita, I hope you understood. Saina, I hope you understood. Medansh, I hope you understood what I was saying. Can anybody tell me why we do regrouping in briefly in the chat box? Can anybody tell me? Just briefly in the chat box, tell me why do we do regrouping? Yes? Okay, Saina, great. If anybody can tell me briefly in the chat box why we do regroup, like I was telling you. I told you that regrouping is done because we get a one number at a place value greater than equal to 10, isn't it? So that is the reason. So whenever we are getting greater to equal to 10 at one place value, then we have to regroup it. We make it as a combination of the next one that it gets carried over. Okay, that is why it happens. You can see it with the help of blocks. Then that is the method, the column method you do. Okay. So now I have made it clear. I think it might be a little bit difficult for you to write in the chat box or type. So I have made it clear. Now, can you do this question on place value addition? After this, we can move on. Now the question is in front of you. Let me see. Can you solve this one? Try to solve it without doing the, making numbers and make it. Just do it with the help of place values like I was doing. Try to do it like that once. That will help you understand. Try to do place value addition without making it a number and then adding. Try it. Waiting for your answers. Come on, Saina and Ishvita and Meher and Medansh, everyone. Okay, Saina. Try to do it in your mind also. If you're doing like this, okay, but try to do it in your, like I said, by just counting the blocks without telling me the sum or the numbers. You can, if you straight away tell me the answer and you think like I did, okay, Meher is giving me the answer. So is Saina, waiting for Ishvita and Medansh's answer. Yes, Saina, I saw your answer. So did I also saw Meher's answer. Saina is here and Meher is here. They have given answers, waiting for Ishvita's answer and Medansh's answer. And the time you have is 1 more minute. Okay. Ishvita has also answered. Medansh, do you want to answer? Or if you're confused, you can tell me, wait, I will help you. Yes, Medansh? Okay, now. Till Medansh gives his answer, I can show you again. See, these are 6 and 8. 8 ones are there and 6 ones are there. So this will be 14 ones. Then this will be how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are 10 tens. Shivani, what is your name? Real name? Can you answer with your name, Shivani? 4614. You have given the answer, but can you also write your name, beta? Since this is your first comment, so these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are your 10 tens. See, both the ones and the tens are more than or equal to 10. Then the hundreds are 5, if you check, and the thousands are 3. Okay. Now, the problem here, or the only problem is that I cannot write 14 at one place value. They are more than 10, isn't it? At the ones, see, the number would have is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, isn't it? So at each place, I will write a number, but I cannot write two numbers at one place, isn't it? Ishwita, you have given your answer. Yes, Ishwita. Okay, now Medansh has also given his answer. Okay, I can see Medansh's answer, and Saina has given her answer, and Meher has given an answer. Everybody, and even Shivanshi has given her answer. So this is it. Now, what? Sorry for that disturbance. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now the ones are 14 in number. So the ones I should what should happen to the ones? What I can do to the ones is I can make it one tens and four ones. I told you that, isn't it? Then the 10 tens can be made as 100s, isn't it? I can write it as 100, isn't it? And the 500s are there. So the answer will have four ones. Then it will have one tens uh, are only remaining. So I'll write one tens in the tens. Then the 10 tens turned into 100. So 5 plus 1 will be 6 hundreds, and the thousands will be 3 in number. So it will be 3614. Now Shivanshi, what is your name, beta? You can write with 361. Shivanshi MNS you are writing. You should write your name along with your answer because I don't know you yet. With what is your name? So so Medansh and Ishwita and Meher and Saina and Shivanshi, everybody has given the right answer. I hope you followed this method for this place value addition, because the point is that you should know many methods. You can do column addition maybe quickly, that is required. We will study that also, but this way you will understand why we do it. Okay, why we do the regrouping and everything. Okay, now can you do it similarly like this? Now if 4700 8 tens and 5 ones are given, and 3700 6 tens and 9 ones are given, now without the blocks, can you solve this question? Can you answer this? Then I'll show you how we'll do it. Okay, let's do the first one together. I'll let you know how we can do the first one. So the 4708 tens and 5 ones is 4785, isn't it? And then 3706 tens and 9 ones is 3769. And then you can add it as a column. That is one method. But what you can also do, like the earlier ones, you can just, without writing the numbers, 5 ones and 9 ones or 14 ones. Okay, same you can do like we were doing in the earlier questions. Now 8 tens and 6 tens are 14 tens. 700s and 700s are 14 hundreds. Then 4,000s and 3,000s are 7,000s. Okay, Medansh has given the answer. So has Saina. Saina has given the answer first and then Medansh. So 7,000s are here, 1400s, 14 tens and 14 ones. What we will be doing, the 14 ones will be 1 tens and 4 ones. The 1 will get carried over to the tens, isn't it? It will have 1 tens and how many? 4 ones, this one. The 4 ones will remain here, the 1 tens will go there. Now 14 tens are there, but then we can keep it as 15 tens. The 15 tens, 5 tens will remain here. The 10 tens become 100, so it goes here. So it will become 15 hundreds. Now again 15 hundreds, 10 hundreds will make 1,000, which will go here, and 5 hundreds will remain here. Now what will be the answer then? It will be indeed 8, 5, 5, and 4. You can do it like this, and you can do it like this, like I did. So I think Shivanshi, okay, Shivanshi is your real name also. So Shivanshi, well done. Saina and Medansh and Ishwita and Meher, everybody has done the question correctly. But I hope you do it by this method also and by the column method also, so that you understand what we are really doing. Okay? Basically, even without what I was saying, that even without writing the numbers, you can carry over when it is greater than equal to 10. You can combine them and carry it over to the next place value. That is the whole point of understanding this. Okay? So can you do this one? 6,509 tens 4 ones plus 8,907 tens and 6 ones. Who is going to answer first? Come on now, since I helped you with the first one. Yes, Vedansh. Yes, Meher. Yes, Saina. Yes, Ishwita. Yes, Shivanshi. Yes, Meher. Saina has given the answer. Okay, Saina, well done. Let's wait for the others. Okay, Meher. Okay, I think Meher and Medansh have given the answer. Saina, check your answer. Yeah, 15,000. Now it is correct. Okay, 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 Saina. Okay, Shivanshi has also given an answer. So has Saina, so has Meher, so has Medansh, and so has Ishwita. And all of your answers are correct. Well done. 15,570 is the correct answer of this question. Since all of you have done it correctly, I don't believe you need any help in this. Okay? Now, now the next thing we are going to study about is abacus addition. Now, abacus addition is also very simple and similar to the place value addition. So, if you are knowing how we find numbers from the place values, if this is the ones place, if this is the tens place, if this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place, you can easily find a number, isn't it? So in the abacus addition, you simply count the beads, how many beads are there, and with the help of beads, you come to know what is in the place value, isn't it? So similarly here, this is the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, sorry, and then the thousands place. So you can simply find the numbers. Now the ones, if the ones here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay, okay, Meher. And then the tens are three beads. The ten and the tens place. You start from the right from ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, so you can get the number. So at the hundreds place, the number of beads are six, and at the thousands place, the number of beads are five. Yes, sign are five. So it is 5, 6, 3, 7. Then this should be two beads, then five beads, then six beads, and four beads. So it is 2, 5, 6, 4. Now you can use any method to add them. You can use the place values. You can add the ones alone, then combine them, then regroup and keep on carrying over, isn't it? For example, I will do it without using the simple column addition method. I can add 7 and 4. I will get 11 ones, isn't it? Now 11 is greater than 10. So 11 ones, I will say they are equal to 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens plus 1 ones, I'll write it here. Then 6 plus 3, I have got 9 tens, isn't it? So 9 tens I have got here. Then 600s and 500s, I have got 1100s. Then 5000s and 2000s, I have got 7000s. Okay. Okay. Ishvita has given an answer. Saina has, and Shivanshi has, and Medansh has not yet. So we can also say these are 7000s. Okay. So like this, what we can do is that there are 11 ones. Now I can write it as 1 tens and 1 1. So the last digit will indeed be 1 because it has only 1 ones. Okay, Medansh, well done, well done. Medansh has also given an answer. Then then the next one is that there are 9 tens alone, and but there is one more 10 early from earlier. So there will be 10 tens. So you what you will do is for the 10 tens, you will make it as 100 alone. So the tens will remain 0. 10 tens are equal to 100. That 100 will get added to the 1100s we have. Those will be 1200s. Now for 1200s, 10 hundreds will get converted to 1000, but there will be 200s left. And the 7000s and the 1000 will make 8000. So the answer will be 8201 or 8201. As Medansh has said, as I think, yeah, as Shivanshi and as Saina said at the beginning. And Ishvita, you have done it a bit wrong. It should be 8201. You check it again. You can simply form these numbers and add them in the column addition like you do, but this way you will get to know how we do it. This method you should be knowing. Actually, the column addition is the last method. Okay, that is the quickest method. We will use it mostly, but these methods, the abacus and the place value method, help you understand why it is getting carried over. The why of the addition you understand by this abacus method. Okay. Okay, Meher, you can go. So so basically, if you go for the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and then you start putting the like place values together, the ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, the hundreds with the hundreds, the thousands with the thousands, then you start combining and regrouping. Whenever you are finding, you move it. If the ones are more than 10, you move the 110 to the next. Then if the tens are more than 10, you move whatever is more than 10 will remain there, but the 10 tens will become hundreds. Like that, you can keep on moving to the next place value and get the number without even solving. Okay, like we did. Okay, but then you can check your answer with the column addition method also. Okay, now who will answer this question? Come on, Saina. Come on, Shivanshi, Ishvita, Medansh, Meher. Come on, Shivanshi. Everybody, Shivanshi has also given the right answer for the last question. Okay, Saina is coming up with an answer. Oh, okay, Ishvita, that is all right. Now if you have understood, that is the whole point. If you have it's okay to make mistakes which make you understand, no issue. Okay, Saina has given me an answer. So has Medansh. Medansh has given me an answer. Saina has given me an answer. Basically, this question is so easy, you don't even have to do regrouping. You should do it very quickly. So, so Saina and then Medansh and then Shivanshi have given me the answer. Now, Meher and Ishwita, you can also see the, yes, Ishwita has also given me an answer. See the eight ones here and the one here, so it will become nine. It doesn't, no place value is coming as greater than 10. This 2 plus 7 is again 9 at the tens place. Then at the hundreds place, it is 6 plus nothing, so it will be 6. And 2 plus 3 at the thousands place, it will be 5. Isn't it? So it will become 5699. Simply very easy, isn't it? Without regrouping, it was. So I hope you understood it. Now this one, who is going to tell me? Come on quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this one. Only 2 minutes, not more than that. Do it in whatever way you can. Yes, Meher, Ishwita, and then Medansh and Saina and Shivanshi. Yes, Saina. Waiting for your answers. Let's see who gives this answer first. I won't explain much for this question because I have already. Yes, Saina, Shivanshi, Ishwita, Meher. Yes, Saina, and the answer is it, Saina, is it 8876? Check your number. Is it 8876 or 8976? Okay, Medansh has given the right answer for this question. I think Medansh has given the right answer. So, Medansh, well done. 9933 will be the right answer. Okay. And Shivanshi has also given the right answer now. Saina, the only thing you have done is it is 8976. It is not 8876. That is why you have got it a bit wrong. Okay. Otherwise, it is 9933. Well done, Medansh. Well done, Shivanshi. And well done, Saina, for trying. Well done, Ishwita and Meher, for trying. You can do it later quickly. I hope. I was just checking who will do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Ishwita. Well done. Well done. Well done. I got Ishwita's answer also. I got everybody's answer. Meher, I think, has not given the answer, but I hope she has understood. Now, column addition, column addition. So basically, in column addition, what we do is we add the place values and then we carry over the. This is the third method, which most probably, is that we add the place value, then we carry over the tens place, that is of the number I am getting, or the left sided digit gets carried over, the right sided digit is written. So 8, I add the one column, I write the two numbers at their proper place values, then the 2 plus 8 will become 10, 0 here, 1 will get carried over. The left-handed digit gets carried over, the right-handed I write. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 here, 1 gets carried over, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is 8680. So basically what we do in column addition, we we add each column, the right sided digit gets written, the left sided digit gets carried over to the next place value. The logic is same as the abacus method, as the place value method. That is why I was telling you to try to understand that why we carry over. It's not just you have to remember you are carrying over, but why you are carrying over, that is also you should know. And if you focus on the place value method and the abacus method, you can do it. Now, last question for the day. Who will answer this? Come on, who will answer this quickly? 3645 plus 3708. 3645, 3708. Who will answer this? I'll give you 1 minute for this, at most. Come on, this is very easy. Medansh gives the right answer. Well done, Medansh. Well done, Medansh. Very good, very good, very good. So, so 7353 is indeed the right answer if you add, and I think Medansh has given the right answer first, and well done, Medansh. Okay, so I hope the others understood it. Now we have only 2 minutes left, so unfortunately I have to close the session down. So what did we study today? Let's wrap it. In place value addition, we add the place values as we said. In abacus addition, we count the beads as per the place values and add. And in column addition, write the numbers in columns and then add. I hope you understood these three different methods. And I want to appreciate the learners who join us every week and are interactive here and try to learn something new, like Saina and Sansai. These are some of the students who were here last week. So basically, basically, the students who were here last week, mostly their names are appearing here, and I want to appreciate them, and then all the other students who join us regularly every week. Now, who ruled this chapter? I think it was Saina at first, and Medansh also. Saina and Medansh were very good today and quick. I think um, uh, 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 I think Ishwita was also very good. Shivanshi was also very good. Meher was a bit slow, but she was also very good. Meher wanted to end the session quickly, but she was also. But Ishwita and Shivanshi were brilliant. So were Saina and Medansh. But I thought Saina and Medansh were a little bit, quicker than the others. So I have to say that they ruled this chapter. So a big round of applause for them. And what's coming next Sunday? Addition keywords and word problems. Okay, so this is what we'll be studying next week. And so you crushed it, and see you soon. This was our YouTube session. I had to rush a bit at the end because this was a longer YouTube session, but congratulations to everybody. So, and thank you to Ishvita and Shivanshi and Meher and Medansh and Saina, everybody who joined us. And you have been brilliant students this morning, and you deserve a round of applause for everyone.